Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be grinding the diamond wrap on the assault rifle. We're going for dark matter because this is the first episode, so yeah. We're gonna be I can't speak English. We're going for diamond right now. This is episode 1 of dark matter grinding on the assault rifle. That's the title. Now let's get it. We're in. Let's go. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh no. Ooh, big crossroad. I'm on the top of the world. My aim. No, a doozy though. What's that? How was that not an explosion? Oh my god, I can't. Server restart. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, the server ran out of me. Shut up! Do not ban me, Sensei. I'm sorry for saying that. Shut up, Trojan! What are you doing here? We're back, and guess what? There's an absolute tryharder. Let me bang my way. Would you look at that? 1,565 win streak. 840. Yeah, I'm moving on. How am I supposed to grind like that? And I was like on 300 ping. My frames per second was also 17. Yeah, 17. We're moving to another phrase for all. Yeah, we finally loaded into another server. That took me 20 minutes just to find a good server. There's a hacker! Let me show you. I can't play. I can't aim! And I can't speak too. Yeah, get speed! Oh yeah! You do not dare. No! Shaw MSC Craw. Woo! I can't aim. I literally can't aim. I'm the worst player in the world. Every day I've been playing rivals, but I'm still a noob at this game. Iceberg! No! Iceberg! No! That's an arena tryhard! Oh man! Okay. 3-6. Oh my god. And we're at 3,656 eliminations! This is gonna take so long, bro. I'm gonna record my gameplay. Oh my god, I can't aim. I absolutely can't aim. I have the worst aim in Roblox. I have the worst aim in Roblox Rivals. Where am I going? Oh, flamethrower! Oh, I don't like flamethrower. Oh my god, you must die. There's a... Don't you tell, oh my god, bro. I was a spear grinder too, mama. Whoa. Are you kidding me? Woohoo! Yeah. Whoa. I'm also practicing my aim. Oh, what was that? That was a direct Molotov. How can you even hit a Molotov from 80 billion miles? I'm dead. Yes, I am dead. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm dead. Oh my god. Bro, stop with the flamethrowers! What was that? Oh, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Just like this boy. I need better aim. Pre-fire! Pre-fire. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was trying to drink, my brother. I was trying to drink. I have the worst aim in the world. What was that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Satchel spam! Satchel spam! Ugh! My god! Aaron Jaeger! Come on! What is that? Ooh! Ooh! What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened? I have the worst. What? Ow! I didn't even notice because, well, yeah, I'm stupid. Oh no! You're not weird, Mr. Pancake. You are not why you do weird. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Please, I need 20 kills for gold and my knife. Shut up! We need a big map, bro. We need a big map. Can I buy any emotes? Can I buy any no! Oh my god, bro. But we're still gonna use this assault rifle. Gonna record my gameplay. I'm cooked. Burst rifle user! I'm cooked. Like literally. Dude, what the heck? Aaron Jaeger! I'm cooked. What the heck just happened in front of my eyes? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Pre-fire! Pre-fire! Where the heck was he shooting that? Come on, man! Oh, I'm sorry. What the heck? Where the heck did you just come from? Did you teleport? My brother, a level 5, I'm so laggy! No. What was that? There's a You're not getting me! Yeah, you're definitely not getting me. Oh my god, I'm trapped! No! One more kill till what? 3670. Yeah, I just said that. Bye bye, guys. This will be the end of our video today. See you in the next one.